I'm Nick Pfannenstiel, and this is the Timber Tiger aircraft, STL. The STL is a kit-built replica of the famous Ryan ST, first flown in 1934. This plane has been redesigned from the ground up using modern light plane design philosophies, but exactly matches the original ST in external appearance. It's 95% scale, which allowed us to significantly reduce the empty weight and bring much more affordable engine options into consideration. Even the Rotax 912 and D motor will fit in the narrow cowling, keeping that classic Ryan ST look. You'll notice that our 15-gallon fuel tank has an unusual shape. This is so we can get tons of baggage above the fuel tank. The landing gear is a simple spring rebound spring setup that requires very little maintenance. It's fully adjustable. All of our steel subassemblies come pre-welded and powder coated. The wing structure is very lightweight and simple. It employs aluminum I-beam spars and CNC cut honeycomb ribs. The drag and anti-drag wires of the original were eliminated in favor of a simpler and lighter drag truss. The bracing wire and strut configuration is identical to the original plane. The ailerons are push-pull operated, eliminating cable slack problems of the original. As you can see, the front cockpit looks a little bit bare, but it does include an airspeed, altimeter, and vertical speed indicator all in one right here. This is actually our baggage door. There's a ton of baggage up in there. Lots of room for clothing and other items. In addition, we have baggage back here for things like wheel chocks or gust locks. The rear cockpit's actually larger than the original airplanes. The shoulder width is wider, and thanks to revised cockpit layout, there's a lot more legroom for even the tallest of pilots. The tail surfaces are of built-up aluminum and are extremely strong and light. You'll notice that the elevator doesn't have any trim tab. This is because the trim is now stick-based, which moves weight out of the tail and again reduces complexity. The Timber Tiger aircraft STL was designed to be simple, practical, and affordable for the everyday person. Modern engine options give builders lower cost, better reliability, and higher power-to-weight ratios than the original ST. The revised cockpits make room for larger pilots and much more baggage. Despite the replica's lower gross weight, it has a higher full-fuel useful load than the original ST. This means you can carry more baggage on your aerial adventures. The original Ryan ST was a sight to behold, and the few remaining examples command prices that prove unrealistic for most. We here at Timber Tiger Aircraft are bringing a replica to the market that bridges the gap with great value and ease of construction. Find us online at timbertigeraircraft.com.